Note: because oxygen sensors are installed in the exhaust system, which contracts when cool, an oxygen sensor can be very difficult to loosen when the engine is cold. Rather than risk damage to the sensor or its mounting threads, start and run the engine for a minute or two, then shut it off. Be careful not to burn yourself during the following procedure. Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Upstream oxygen sensor. The upstream O2 sensor is accessed from the engine compartment located under the throttle body. It may be easiest to access the sensor with the air intake tube and air filter housing removed. Disconnect the upstream oxygen sensor electrical connector. Detach the sensor wiring from any clips. Unscrew and remove the upstream oxygen sensor. If you're planning on reinstalling the old sensor, apply anti-seize compound to the threads of the sensor to facilitate future removal. If you're installing a new sensor, there is no need to apply anti-seize compound because the threads on the new sensors already have anti-seize pre-applied to them. Install the upstream oxygen sensor, threading it first by hand. Tighten the sensor securely.